Hey friends, today we're on our way to the Vista Cottages. It is in a village named Bakog near Kufri and Shimla. This place is actually a perfect spot for weekend getaways or a long relaxing vacation. I hope you guys enjoy it because it's a peaceful and serene place in the mountains. The cottages in this resort have interior made with local wood like cedar, pine and walnut. Okay, now let me show you the interior real quickly, PUBG style. The cottages are stunning and surprisingly extremely affordable. The staff and management here too is cooperative and humble. It's 29 September 2019. Spending rainy seasons here means there would be a lot of apple orchids, meaning fresh hand-picked red apples.
बहुत सारे एप्पल्स लगे हैं पूरा एप्पल से भरा हुआ है एन एप्पल ऑर्किड ग्रीन एप्पल रेड एप्पल सारे तरह के एप्पल्स यहाँ पर रॉयल एप्पल रॉबर्ट एप्पल
Spending rainy seasons here also means rain.
बाहर बारिश हो रही है और हम गेम्स खेल
3-0 हो चुका है
3-0 कैसे अभी तो आपसे भी तो गिरे
चल 3-1 सही
Now we all know what all is there to do in Shimla. There is a church, a zoo, and all the horse riding and commercial activities. And I like to try food in different places. I like to explore the nature.
मेरा टिकली हो रहा बहुत है
I like to go on long hiking trails, which by the way, there are so many here. So if you also like to do all this, you can look forward to it in September 2020. Hoping to see all of us celebrate the end of pandemic till then. Links are always in the description below. Thank you for your support and encouragement. Love you all. Stay home, stay strong, and most importantly, stay safe. And keep on watching my channel Travelalong. Now, if you like my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, give it a thumbs up, and share with all of your friends and family. Thank you. Bye bye.
अच्छा रहा वीडियो